Hi, hello, I am from Aislyn Technology. Today we can see how to use Raspberry Pi and temperature sensor. Now we can see how to interface the Raspberry Pi to temperature sensor. Here we are using Raspberry Pi 3, which consists of total 40 pins. This is the power pin and this is the HDMI, and here we can connect display, and here we can connect camera module, Pi camera, and this is the audio jack. Here 4 USB ports are there, and here one Ethernet port is there. This is the Dht11 temperature sensor, which consists of VCC, ground, and middle one is the data pin. Using this temperature sensor, we can calculate the temperature in degrees Celsius and humidity of the surroundings in the environment. Now we can see how to interface. First you need to connect these pins to jumper wire to temperature sensor. Then ground of the temperature sensor I am connecting to the ground of the Raspberry Pi, which is pin number 6, and data pin of the temperature sensor I am connecting to the pin number 4 of the Raspberry Pi, which is GPIO 4, and CC of the temperature sensor I am connecting to the 3.3 volts of the Raspberry Pi. Now we can see how to dump the code in Raspberry Pi. For that, first we need to write the code in Thony IDE. This is the code which written for Dht11 temperature sensor. Here we are configuring the all GPIO pins, and import DHT means this is the library file which we are importing here, and import.time means here we are using this time file for giving delay in the program, and here we are setting GPIO pin as VCM mode, and we are initializing the pin which is connected to the data pin of the temperature sensor. Here we are using GPIO 4, and here while true means here we are continuously collecting the data. Using instance read, we are collecting the data from temperature sensor. If any valid data is received, then we are printing the data, and we are giving 1 second delay here. This loop will execute continuously. To run this code, we need to click on run button. Now we can see here temperature is 25 degrees Celsius and humidity is 70 degrees Celsius. Like this, after each 1 second, we will get the readings of temperature sensor. Like this, we can calculate the temperature and humidity using Dht11 sensor. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.